done.
Nugget, if you get out, you get a spanking. I'm just messing with Nugget. You better not get out, though.
Go over there. Go over there.
You'll get hit by a car.
Leave that alone.
Don't get out. Tell him how this thing got moved.
Cause Nugget. Nugget! No!
Nugget, you better stay. You'll get hit by a car. Don't want you hurt. Where did Ivy go? Ivy! She might be in the house.
Hold on, well, nobody over here on this side where I'm over here. Stay over there. I'll put it over there and you take it from there. You sound like a retard. We're dancing with Booty in here.
Okay, my booty's
Oh my goodness.
Where's son at, Jacob?
He's nowhere. Oh no.
I got rid of him. I was like, I didn't want him no more.
Help.
Just messing with you.
Too good for everybody.
He's in the house.
I'll go get him.
Nugget.
I'll be right back.
Nugget. Oh my goodness. Nope, throw him away. The heck? What am I doing? Oh, there's too much trees this summer. Well, now it's fall, but here they go. They're gonna fight it probably. Oh well.
I'll just all here. Yeah, that's not one. Thank you, James.
Jacob, Nugget can get out. Yeah.
It's cussing.
Nugget. He's moving it. He's moving it.
Nugget, you go now. No. Bad boy. Can I get the picture? No.
Look at him cocking his head. Nugget, you're funny.
That would do something.
Let's see if he got it.
Still put it there. See what he does.
Now you try now. That's your deal.
I don't know where Star is.
What the heck?
Yeah, he did. I don't know where Star is.
Well,
You won't be able to move it if I...
Star!
Alright.
I hope she didn't get out.
she's there. I saw her moving.
Joey!
I don't want to like...
Okay, but
Jump
wait, we
over.
gotta figure out.
Ow!
I know,
There,
but
just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. I'll go back and Ding back.
Nugget, you better not. He don't want to come out with us. He wants to come out and he'll like take off running like halfway down the road and then you gotta chase him. He likes to run from you. Cause he's never was taught to, you know, to like stay by us when we're out here. So the only one that does stay when we're out here is Luckywood. Marley would take off running, and so does Nugget and Star. I don't think Ivy ever got out, and if she did, she come right back.